Hello friends, in the last video I have shown you how to create a custom list view with image. We have handled the onClick event and shown a toast message on item click. In this quick tutorial I will show you how to open a URL when the corresponding list item is clicked using the source code of our last video. So let's get started. Open Android Studio and click Open an existing Android Studio project. Select the project and click OK. Go to mainActivity.java and here we will create a string array to hold the Wikipedia links for our list items. String brackets URLs equals to within curly brace. Next we will pass URLs to the program adapter constructor. So here give a comma and write URLs. Next go to programadapters.java and here in the class scope declare a class level string array for URLs. So write string open close brackets URLs. Initialize the URLs with the value received in constructor. This dot URLs equals to URLs. Scroll down. Comment the toast statement. We will create an intent object and start activity with that intent. So write intent open links intent equals to new intent. For the first parameter write intent dot action underscore view, and for the second parameter pass URI dot parts within the parenthesis write URLs within brackets position. Just click here and press Alt Enter to import the URI class. Then write context dot start activity and pass the intent object. Open links intent. Note that URI stands for Uniform Resource Identifier and it is a string of characters used to identify a resource. URI enables interaction with the presentations of the resource over a network, typically the World Wide Web, using specific protocols. For example, URL is also a URI. URI.parts creates a URI object using the string passed to it, which we can use to refer to resources. Just scroll up and here write string URLs. And we don't need these import statements. Run the app to check the output. As you can see, if a list item is clicked, it automatically opens the corresponding Wikipedia link in the default browser. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this.